Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can watch our latest videos at very first.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about an interview experience of Taviska company. So before starting the video, I want to tell you that this interview experience is fully based on an interview experience of a guy who is placed in a Taviska company. If you are looking for an interview experience of a Taviska company, you'll not get any interview experience in the Google, in the internet, not anywhere. This video is a brand new video on the interview experience of the Taviska company. So let's start directly with the interview experience. So basically there are 3 rounds in the Taviska company. The first round is of online test, second round is of technical round, and the third round and the last round is HR round. So let's move on to each round one by one. So first one is online test. This test lasts 60 minutes and 4 sections included in it. So what does it mean? Basically the time duration of this test is 60 minutes and there are total 4 sections in it. The first section is basically aptitude section. The second section is basically reasoning section. The third section is basically coding section, and the last section is basically subjective question. In the aptitude question, you can read a most trending topic of an technical interviews. So if you want most trending topics in aptitude section, please comment in the comment section box. I can make the video on that. Again, you can go through a most trending topics on reasoning section. The third section is the coding section. In the coding section, basically they can ask questions from C, C++ and Java. These 3 languages are important. So the fourth section is subjective question. In the subjective question, basically they were asking a subject related question. So you have to learn all the important subject of your computer science and IT branch for cracking this interviews. So let's move on to the round number 2. Again, very common, round number 2 is a technical round. So the first question is one and only, tell me about yourself. So you have to give your precise introduction, a unique introduction which have not discussed in your resume, because uniqueness is very much important in the introduction section. Again, the most important subject in the Taviska company introductions are data structures, DBMS operating system. So in data structure, you have to go through all the important data structures like array, stack, queue, linked list, graph. In the DBMS section, you have to go through all the important queries of SQL, and in the operating system, you have to go through all the memory management topics, paging topics, CPU scheduling topics. So these are the topics are important for the technical round of a Taviska company. So let's move on to the final round, HR round. In the final round, the first question is one and only introduction. So you have to give your introduction which are not similar to the introduction in the technical part. So you have to give your introduction as in different way. So the second question is all right, project related question or a internship related. If you have done any project or an internship, then this round is going to be project related or internship related. If you haven't done any internship or project, then your resume is not going to be selected. So how can you able to reach in the HR round? The third type of question is like behavioral skills questions. So from that question, they're trying to understand about your mind. How can you think, how much you can think, and how fast you can think. In the company related question, they can ask question about their company, about their company skills, products, about their company requirements, about their company achievements, about their company locations. This type of question they can ask in the company related question. And the last question is the formal question. In that section, they can ask question about reallocation questions, settlement related questions. So you have to prepare about reallocation, settlement, salaries related question. So you have to just prepare for that questions. But this section is not very much important, but these 4 sections are much more important. So that's it for this video, guys. If you gain some knowledge from this video, please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and also share this video with your colleagues, with your friends, so that they can also gain some knowledge from this video. So yeah, I'm wrapping this video over here, and we will meet next time.